If your front door keeps peeling no matter how many times you repaint it, this is why. Front doors keep peeling because the underlying causes are rarely fixed. Most commonly, trapped moisture, poor surface preparation, repeated layers of failing paint, sun exposure, and the use of interior or big box products that aren't designed for exterior conditions. South and west-facing doors are especially vulnerable because UV rays and temperature swings cause finishes to expand and contract, pushing coatings off from underneath, a problem made worse by the wrong finish type or sheen. Simply repainting treats the symptom rather than the cause, allowing peeling to return again and again. Stopping it permanently requires fully removing failed coatings, correcting moisture issues, properly preparing the surface, and applying professional-grade, flexible, UV-resistant exterior finishes matched to the door's exposure. An approach that restores performance and durability without the cost of replacement. If your door keeps peeling, it's not the door, it's the process. DoorRenew stops peeling by restoring your door the right way with professional-grade systems built for exterior conditions. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.